Everyone, this is Shelley from Be the Change. Today we're going to be going through an activity from the red box, which is building intentional communities, experiential activities to develop critical thinkers. And the activity we have is called Clustergrams. The objective of this activity is to build community and to find commonalities within the group. And so to pivot this in the online space, what you're going to first have to do is teach everyone how to create a virtual name tag. And in Zoom terms, that's just renaming your name. And so once everyone has the skill down to be able to rename their name without experiencing too many challenges, you're going to go through the activity. So you're going to either go through any of these prompts that are included on the card, like what's their shoe size, what they had for breakfast, what they want to have for lunch, what their favorite seasons are. And as you're going through these statements, you're just going to have everyone rename themselves, placing the cluster in front of their actual name or replacing their name entirely. And through this, it's a really fun way to get everyone to kind of rejoice in the commonalities that they share, to hype up certain things that they love, and for you to also just bring in extra energy in the room. If you want to level this up one more, you can use the clusters as a way to break out rooms later on. And so once everyone has their clusters and their names, you can also use this to form whatever breakout groups you want, and to also just have team names or group names for the rest of the session. And some debrief questions you could go through are, what surprised you about the clusters that formed in this activity, and what other cluster categories should we do next time? So you can bring this in every single session or sprinkle it whenever you want and have fun. Okay, bye.